Today I'm going to show you a installation of a block heater this is for a TYM. It's actually a Branson TYM 3515. Excuse me. I'm hoping, it's kind of hard to see, but this plug right here behind my finger, it's a 1/2-inch plug. I'm hoping that I can reach it and get it without removing this pipe, but I've got the loader on, and I don't want to take the loader off, so we'll see what I can do. I need to put a container underneath. I'm probably going to lose a little bit of antifreeze. I'm going to have everything pre-done and ready to go, so I can hopefully not end up losing a whole lot of antifreeze and get this thing installed. So I've got it preloaded with Teflon tape. The nice thing about this one is the plug doesn't have to be on it all the time. However, I intend to put the plug on it. I'll probably actually put some type of RTV or something to help hold it. And I'll just go ahead and pre-wire everything in to where I'm going to plug it in. I'm also going to install a trickle charger. The socket you'll need when you do the install is a 1 3/8. I have it on a adapter to go to a half drive. I think it's a 5/8" drive, and then a very long breaker bar to get the other one out on a half drive. So we'll see how that goes. So hopefully you can see this, but let's see if I can get that to where you can see it. Let me see here. Everybody needs a new tool, and I've got a lot of tools, but one thing I did not have was a 1/2-inch wobbler, and I just got that broken free. I had to run over to back to O'Reilly Auto Parts and get a wobbler to make that go. So just got it broken free. We're getting close here to putting the other one in. I've got the tape on it all primed and ready to go. So I don't know if you saw that glug glug glug, but that's the offender right there. Didn't look like that's too bad. Downside is there's no way that socket's going to reach in there, so I've got to go find a different wrench, it looks like. Okay, what I ended up doing to get that thing on there was using a crescent wrench. Let me show you real quick. What I ended up doing was swapping from this and then flip-flopping it so I could reach it, and that flip-flopping it so I could reach it. So basically with each one I could make a quarter turn, and I'm fairly certain it's tight enough. I will watch it as we go. So now I need to add the antifreeze back in that I lost. I'll take a look at how much that is. Let's see if I can do that while I've got record running. Doesn't look like we lost that much. I'm going to call that a 1/3 of a gallon, maybe a half, but I bought a gallon hoping I wouldn't need to use more than that. That's that Asian red. I've never seen antifreeze like that. It looks pink in here in this, and anyway, I think we got this whipped. So that's a wrap. I got a little cleanup to do.